Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Hi, today's recipe is Walton Vale Community Shop lentil soup. The ingredients are 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 100 grams of red lentils, 2 carrots, a potato and 1.2 litres of vegetable stock. Also a little bit of oil. So first we chop the onion, add oil to the pan, and gently fry the onion for about 5 minutes. We don't want to burn the onion, we just want to gently fry it. Then chop the vegetables, the carrots, peel the potatoes and chop them. Finally chop the garlic. Once the onions have gently fried, after about 5 minutes, add the vegetables, the red lentils, stock, salt and pepper to taste. Bring to the boil. Other things you can add to this soup are parsnips, celery, peppers, whatever you've really got in your fridge that needs using, just chop it in and you can add it to your vegetable soup. Also, I like to add a little bit of curry powder just to give it a little bit of spice and a little bit of flavour. Bring the soup to a boil and then simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. This soup is great served on its own or with lovely crusty bread.